Hi friends, welcome to our channel Simply Learn at Home. In this video, we will describe Canon pixma printer color cartridge changing. We have 746S cartridge which is compatible with Canon printers model number E400, E460, E480, E3170, E3370, E410, E470, E477, E417, E4270, MG2470 and MG2570. First of all, switch on the printer and open the outlet cover. Wait till the cartridge comes in the font. Press the left side fitted cartridge, which is color cartridge, and take it out. Now open new cartridge cover and take it out. Hold the open area and remove the plastic cover by pulling. Take the cartridge out. Remove the ribbon seal. Don't touch the copper head area. Now install the cartridge properly. Close the cover. Automatically printer will ready. Give the print instruction and check it.